Yeah, hello. Once again, is Richard Dupey here, and this is Lucky Tuesday. There is a plan here. The actual key of the plan has played at the position, but the other settings that it does, it did not do those things. But um, it's setting it with another plan. Let's see how it goes without wasting much time. First, we go to the national in the year 2009. This is the plan. You can see at event 2448, they play 80 at center position. 80. So one is like a new setting. So from here, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks down, that is the key of the plan. 51 at last position. So following week, you will notice that 80 over there will have to come. Then you play with difference 1, that is 81. Then the 81 will counter to 36. What really the plan is these particular numbers over here. You see the 80 here with 36 and then 81 number and it counter, and then the difference 1 should jump the 3 numbers. But before it will play is the 51 that will play at last position. Now Lotto is not waiting for everything to set before it will go ahead and play the plan. So as they play the 80 over there, it's like a new setting. So they play the 51. Then following week, the 80 will come, play with the 36, and then the 81 itself. When you come to the current 2, you see at event 914, that is where they play the 80 at center position over there. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then the 51 will play at the position. So following week, this 80 supposed to come, play with the difference 1, that is 80, 81. Then the 81 will counter 36 to play with it. That is the 3 numbers. That is the 3 numbers. Even though this is the event that I'm using, I saw some things first. That is confirming the 2 short, but watch. This one, I saw this one even first. Before it makes me remember that is the 51 that play as the key. So you can see they play single 979. This one is in the Lucky Tuesday paper itself. Single 979 last week. So following week, the same 8081 is there. The number the difference 1 is there, 8081. Then again, I moved to Thursday. I moved to midweek. Then I saw this one again. They also play the same 979, just like how they play it over here. 979, the same 979 is playing here also. Then the 8081 is there still as the 2 short. So it's like common numbers, 8081, 8081. So when you come to the current here too, they play the 79 single 9. So definitely the 8081 supposed to play as the 2 short here. You see, so in machine, you will notice that there is some 81 in the machine there that's supposed to come to play. If we go to the main event that I'm using, the one in the national, you will notice that the machine number, they play 2 machine number 58 and then single 2, they come out to play at the winning. So definitely machine number can also play. That's why the 81 in machine, it can also play like that. But the one in the midweek, you will notice something. They play 10 first. Following week, then they play 14. Before 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, they play the 979. So following week, the 10 also comes to play with the difference 1. You see 12 also repeat there. This event is also good to play. Okay, if you have something, try it. It's the same 2 short that is on all of them. So The 8081 is here. So try the event. Then this one also here. Try this event also, because the 79 also key on the event. That is 56, and it's even the repetition on the event. So it's also very good. Okay, so even this is the main event that I'm using because of the key that play 51 and then 80 pick it position. So event 2461 in national, 2461 numbers on the event 58, single 2, 36, 80 and then 81. 58, single 2, 36, 80 and then 81. The numbers they play at the current year, don't get surprised if they jump 3 or 2 numbers from this event. Okay, the 22 here, if it plays, it usually jumps, and 66 also, and 28 also, even the 16 supposed to jump with 90. So the numbers here is good to jump, but at the same time, you know that the event is either you go up or you come down. The 3 numbers I'm picking, if you stop here at event 2462 also, they play 14 before playing these numbers. So as the 51 play at position, the same 3 numbers again at the top. So it's still the same plan, 81, 36, 80, the same. You see the 14, 1, 2, 3, then they play the 51. If you remember the plan that I've posted for Monday, the second one that I said is also good to play that play under. They went and played that one rather. The banker over there also played, and then they play it with 75. You see this game, but it was here that we used. They played this one, the one that I said the 60 should come and play with, the 58 and 23. They play 75 with the 60. You see that the 75 repeat from the top. So that is what Lotto is doing these days. Making choices have become a problem. So let's hope for the best. Bye for now.